There is no knowing. What does it mean? Let's learn it together. We use this idiom when it's impossible. Be certain and sure about something. And the form is there's no knowing plus one WH question plus another sentence. Let's look at some examples together. There is no knowing who will be his next girlfriend. There is no knowing what will she do when she found out about the accident. There is no knowing how he lost all his money. Now, this is your turn. Write below into the chat box one sentence with there is no knowing. See you later.